Ever found yourself wondering why some tokens just plummet overnight? Welcome to the world of rug pulls, a sneaky tactic often used by the creators of meme coins. But what exactly is a rug pull? Imagine a scenario where the creator holds more than 10% of the token supply. As prices soar thanks to other users buying in, the creator dumps all their tokens at peak prices. This massive sell-off triggers panic selling, crashing the token's price by up to 90 to 95%. Sounds pretty grim, right? Here's the good news. Bonding curves can help reduce some of the risks associated with rug pulls by making token pricing more predictable and transparent. They operate on a simple principle. Every time someone buys a token, the price for the next buyer increases slightly, based on a predetermined formula. This approach limits sudden price manipulations by ensuring that the token's value reflects real demand. On top of that, funds from token purchases are locked in a smart contract, providing foundational liquidity. And here's where transparency comes in. With smart contracts, every transaction through bonding curves is open for everyone to check. This openness ensures that funds are distributed fairly and according to the code. That said, while this system minimizes some opportunities for fraud, it doesn't eliminate all risks. Once the token hits decentralized exchanges, the liquidity can still be dumped. So, it's crucial to stay aware of the risks involved. At the end of the day, it's important to remember that bonding curves aren't foolproof systems. Market risks are still at play, and a bonding curve isn't a cure-all for scams. That's why the golden rule is do your own research. Tempted by a shiny new token? Hold that thought. Calm your excitement, give yourself time to cool off, and check again tomorrow. In the meantime, take a look at their social media, research the team, and make sure there's a real community behind it. Missed out on a great token? No worries. Chalk it up as a lesson. There are always more opportunities around the corner. The next time you're eyeing that promising investment, remember, look before you leap. In one of our upcoming videos, we'll dive into how to evaluate tokens before buying. So make sure to subscribe. Now that you've got the scoop, don't forget to share this video, give us a like, and tune in for more insights. See you next time.